was a nice display. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 SAAC Shelby American Convention over here in Pittsburgh, PA. What a build. Now this is a continuation. Look at the detail on here. I love the snake pit. Fantastic. Let's check out the inside.
I get them. Did you see the decals? Look at them. I made them. You like, what do you need? Mr. Bernie.
What a treat. What a treat, folks. I love the sight glass for the oil, the dry sum.
I'll find out how far you had it in front of the thing. Different color? Well, I got the blue one and I got that one. Oh, okay. You got the blue one. You have the blue one.
The details right down to the meatball lights, how to get in. Too cool. Press shirts. That's Fran Kress. Let's continue on. PA. For more cool events, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.
You want to take him up, ride him up, or you need to ride up a jack? No, I'll walk up. I'm good.